Alright, this is going to be how to tell if you have a 2012 or 2013 VES system and you're not sure which cable you need. I'll show you how to tell which one to order. There was, I guess 2012 and 13 was the transition year from the older models to the new models. They use a different cable, so you have to order the right one or you can fry your board. So this is the older one. This is a 2008 model. I believe this one was out of an Aspen, but you can do this in your vehicle. You don't have to take the unit out. I'm just doing it for the video, but all you need to do, drop the screen down, open up this here so you can see your board. You can see what cable you've got. So to do that, all you do is get a screwdriver or a pry tool in here, pop it open. You have to do it all the way around. Oops. Again, you can do this in your vehicle with the system mounted to the ceiling. All the way around. Now, once you've got that off, all you need to do is look at this cable here. You see right here, this 34. That's the older cable, 34 pin. You've got a 68 there. That's the newer cable. You get the cover popped off, and yours looks like this. You've got a 34 there. That's the older cable.